Good morning, students. Today we will study lesson number 3rd, more about Windows. In this lesson, we will study this kind of topics. First topic, our operating system. Second, creating and managing file and folder. The computer folder. Navigating with Window Explorer. Next topic, renaming, copying and moving a file and folder. Another topic, deleting a file and folder. Our last topic over in this lesson, we will study searching for a file and folder. Before starting this chapter, it is important to know what about operating system. The operating system is a program that acts as an interface between the user and computer hardware and control the execution of kinds of programs. There are different types of functions in the operating system, just like processor management or input output management, memory management or security management. These are the functions or work of the operating systems. Friends, first of all, we study about interfacing. Interface. Interface mean in the computer or users. There are two types of interfacing system. First of all, CUI. It means character user interface. Another GUI. GUI mean graphical user interface. The example of interface CUI, MS DOS. Its full form is that Microsoft Disk Operating System. Graphical user interface, the example Windows. There are different kinds of versions of the window. Windows 98, Win 98, Win 2000, Windows Millennium, Windows XP, Vista or Windows 8, Windows 10. These are the different kinds of Windows versions. Students, as you know, it is a practical based chapter. So now we will study it is practically. Students, this is the first screen of your computer after switching on. In this screen, you are seeing many icons like this PC, Google Chrome, Adobe Reader, Mozilla Firefox. And below this screen, this is a bar. This is bar called taskbar. In this we can see the Windows Start button, sound, internet and date and time. Friends, according to our syllabus, we will study about file and folder. We click here, then click documents. These are the three types of files: PowerPoint file, MS Excel file or MS Word file. Files. A file is a collection of information. It is a single document that may contain text, letters or essay, pictures, sound, movies, etc. Different type of files have different icons. Each icon of a specific file has characteristics, features of a quick identification. An MS Excel file, MS Excel file can thus be immediately recognized from a Word file. Here are some icons of different types of file: MS Excel, PowerPoint, or MS Word. In PowerPoint file, we click here if we want to see its extension. This is a PowerPoint extension. This is a .pptx. .pptx is a PowerPoint files extension. If we can see MS Excel extension, that we can see properties of these. .xls is a MS Excel file extension. Here we can see MS Word files, this property. Here .docx is a MS Word file extension. Now we will study about folder. We can also create folder in a computer to store various type of information. Multiple files related to a job can be put within one folder to keep them collected in one place. Here how to create a folder we can see. First of all, right click on the screen, click new, and then click folder. This is a empty folder. We can change this name A, B, C. This is a folder name. When we click on the folder, this folder is empty. We click back this file. If we want to copy of the PowerPoint file, right click, copy, open the ABC folder, again right click, the pop-up menu is display, and select paste option. The PowerPoint file is copied on the ABC folder. About navigating with Window Explorer. Window Explorer, if we want to display screen, click here, Window Explorer. The Window Explorer, this is a Window 10. So Window Explorer or File Explorer is the same things. This is a screen of the File Explorer. There are two parts of this screen. This is a tree view or this is a list view. Tree view, here this is a vertical scroll bar. C drive, E drive or F drive of the computers. When we click E drive, all folders or files display of the E drives. We double click on the D drive or E drive. Some folder with arrow in front of them are displayed. Some folders without arrow in front of them are also displayed. Now right click. First of all, we create a folder. This is folder. Again folder MMM. This is a name of the folder, empty folder. If you want to rename this folder, again we right click and change the name. If you select a rename option and give another name, SSS. SS is the another name. If you want to delete this folder, again right click and show delete option. Click here, or this folder is again deleted. Here we have 3 files. First a PowerPoint file, another Excel file, another MS Word file. If you want to move one location to another location, any files. If you want to Excel files, right click, cut here, open this folder, again right click here or select paste option. Over MS Excel file, display here or moving here. For the search option, to search any file or folder, we will click on this search option. Suppose I have searched songs in this, and here song option appear. Song option, this is a folder of the songs. Now we see a list of different songs. So students, it was the third chapter, more about Windows, of the 5th class. Hope you all understood the topic. Now please learn the bookwork of this lesson and try to do the question answer. Thank you. Take care. Stay home and study well.